Good afternoon, guys. How are you people? Once you get suspended on Amazon, it can take weeks, sometimes months to get reinstated, and as a seller, you can lose lakhs and lakhs of rupees between that time. So this video, I'm going to help you to the best of my ability to create a very professional and powerful POA that you can send across to the Amazon seller performance team. They'll help you reinstate the account in most cases 3 to 4 days. Okay, 3 to 4 days. So make a note of this video, keep watching, and I'm going to give you the exact template that I have used many times to reinstate my account, and I have been through suspension probably 5 times plus, and all the times we have been able to get back. And this is the exact template that we used. So keep watching. All I want to do is help you and be more successful on Amazon. That's my goal. Cheers. My name is Addy, and I make sugar water. Should we tell them what the show title is? The process. There are some rules here that you need to take note of. Okay, rule number 1, your account health need to be in a good position. Okay, if you have an account that has got many defects, order defects, you've got other health issues, you've got negative customer feedback, your products are sort of tempered or got some problems with the products, the type of products you're selling, you have violated their policies and such previously, and you are below the threshold of Amazon will hold you up to certain thresholds. If you're below the threshold and this suspension occurs, it is difficult to get back. The truth be told, you can't get back if you have already fucked up many times on Amazon. This is for people who are already above the threshold and you've got suspended for some reason, you've got a brand registry violation, you've got some kind of trademark infringement, you've got defects, or you have been removed for some reason. This video is going to help you get back again, start selling on Amazon. Unfortunately, for people who have violated the rules and regulations many times, are under the radar, below the red line and such, I suggest you start a new Amazon account and don't repeat that. Point number 2, do not try to lie on your POA. Guys, Amazon knows everything. They are giving you a warning. A suspension is a warning, is a temporary warning. They're giving you a chance to come back with the truth, to acknowledge the things you have done via your plan of action. Do not try to lie on your plan of action. They will find it out 100%, and your account will remain suspended. You are not coming back if you lie and they find out. You have already done something wrong, so do not try to make it worse. Okay, do not lie on your POA. The template that I'll be giving you is a very good template. It includes the short-term and the long-term plans that you need to explain to them, and it has every single pointers, but you will need to take and morph the template according to your needs. So do that with the templates. We'll cover 2 types of defects and suspension which are very common with Amazon sellers. Number 1, review tampering. If you have messed with the Amazon policies of how the review works, that's number 1. That will cover. It'll give you a POA that works along with what type of proofs that you have to submit to them, because you need to submit the POA and the proof for review tampering. So it'll give you that. Number 2, order defect or product defect complaints. If a customer complained to Amazon about your product being low quality or defective, that's case number 2, very common. Okay, very common case. We'll give you that template as well. 2 templates. So keep watching. I hope you get a lot of value out of this video, which you will, because this is unbelievable. You would be paying SPNs thousands of rupees and they won't do shit. I mean, that's the truth. Okay, they won't do nothing. SPNs are just they'll give you the same template, maybe even worse, and they'll give you you only get one chance, so you got to make it your best. Okay, you got to make it your best. So let's go to the computer and look at these simple to-dos PDF templates. Let's go. Okay, so you're looking at my computer now. This right here is a template for infringement of corrective. This is for your account privileges suspended because you infringed somebody else's listing. This one is that template. Okay, again, I'm not going to go through everything, but this is a very elaborate template. This template right here is for in case you manipulated the reviews and they want you to explain yourself. That's your template number 2. This is your template number 3. Okay, this is for quality issue. This is very common. So this template is your quality issue template. Now you just saw all these templates. Now if you need these templates, guys, feel free to drop me an email down below and I'll send you these to your inboxes. It'll be sent to you absolutely free and nothing, but I need you to let me know that you want these templates so that I can help you out and send you these templates. Okay, these templates are absolutely 100% working. So drop me an email at the email address that I'll give you below and I'll help you out here. This is Addy signing off. Have a great